Hey, what's up? Danny here, and today I want to share with you just a quick update on my Kindle ebook. It's project management for beginners, and it's my first personally branded ebook, so I'm really excited to get it out finally. And today is my stand-up update. Excuse my voice, I'm getting over a cold, but I wanted to get this out there to you to show you, how you can build an email, basically a lead magnet strategy for building your email list using the Amazon Kindle platform. And so I've been doing Kindle publishing for about 5 years. I have a virtual assistant that helps me out, here and there. And if you hear bowling balls, it's my kids are getting up and jumping up and down, and you may hear one of them walk in. But anyway, so we are going to cover, the things that I've completed, the things that I'm working on, and any obstacles I have. And so that's really kind of the approach that I take every single day when I sit down to work on an item, right? Work on a task on a specific project. And that comes from the agile project management world and developing software, where you can really just talk about how to uncover bottlenecks and to get your product out there faster, right? Hey, buddy, what's up? You want to say hi? Okay. You need to use the bathroom? No. Okay. All right. Anyway, he's just going to play back there. So, real quick, what I completed yesterday, or since my last stand-up, which is probably a couple days ago, is that I finally got the book all together, and the opt-in process, all my landing pages, everything finalized and tested. So when you set up a funnel, you want to make sure you test it out, and I did that myself, as well as have my virtual assistant do that, and we're ready to go. We're ready to publish it, hit the publish button on the KDP draft in the Kindle Direct Publishing draft. I'm going to just show you some of the key pages here. It's awesome to see this stuff once it's complete, so that you can kind of get a real good idea, visually speaking, of how the flow is going to be for your potential subscribers, right? So that's what I'm currently doing. And then one of the roadblocks that I've faced, or the challenges I face, is that it's a holiday weekend here in the States, and I don't say weekend, but holiday week. And so tomorrow is 4th of July, and just trying to unwind and disconnect a little bit, spend more time with family. But I don't really look at that as necessarily a roadblock, maybe from a business perspective, but really, it's an opportunity for me to connect with my family more, spend a little bit more time. And that's really why I'm doing all this to begin with, right? So hopefully you are doing something similar. You have a similar why, or just a reason that you want to build something on the side. Maybe you're working a full-time job, but something that you want to build on your own. So anyway, back to the lecture at hand. And so this is I'm just sharing my desktop here with you. Yes, I am. Okay, cool. So if you're looking at my screen, you can see that this is my project management tool. I really love using MeisterTask because it's just really simple, and it gets out of my way so I can get more focused and productive. So here are the tasks that I am finishing, working on. Test opt-in process. My virtual assistant finished that to let me know today that it's ready for publication. And I probably have to move that to done as well, because that's finished. So now that the book is basically being published onto the Kindle platform, this is the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website. If you're new to publishing books on Kindle, then this is where you want to go to sign up a free account, so that you can get started with publishing your own book on that platform. It's really great. I can tell you from doing niche publishing that in nonfiction and fiction, different markets, that it's really an opportunity for you to to build an email list. I've done it in brands that I didn't put my face on, but now I'm doing that with my personal brand. I'm really excited because I know that it's got so much potential. And so moving on to Designer. So this is the tool that I really, really have really been leaning on to leverage, because I've done publishing with. You want to say hi? Because you're hovering like you want to say hi. You want to say hi? Here. All right. Say hi. Hi. He doesn't know he's saying hi too. So anyway, so going back to Kindle and Designer specifically. Designer is a way that you can basically take content from your social media. So if you don't even have a website, like, you can pull the content. If you've posted on social media like Facebook, you can pull that stuff directly from, as long as it's in a URL in the browser, you can pull that content into the Designer canvas here and make an ebook. So people say, like, I don't have content. Well, really, you do. It's just a matter of getting that content into a PDF format or a Mobi format. And what's really great about Designer is that it lays everything out for you. So when you want to build a table of contents, there's an element in here for table of contents, and it just makes your ebook look super professional in less time. So anyway, it's cheap too. I think I paid like $27, and when they launched it, I paid like $97 for like a lifetime pro account. But anyway, definitely tried lots of tools. This is one of the best that I've come across. If you come across something better, please leave it in the comments below, because I love to check it out. I'm always looking for ways to streamline my workflow. The next thing, so you can see here, before I go to the next thing, because this is very important, this is where your potential subscribers are going to subscribe to your list. So I've got a link here for DIY Product Creation Toolkit. So when they click on this link, they're going to be brought to this page here, which is my landing page. And I'm using Thrive Leads for this. But you can use if you don't have WordPress, you can use Lead Pages or any other landing page software that's out there, but really, or just a plain page. Really, the main thing is you just want to have a nice headline, describe what they're getting, and a place for them to opt in, right? And so that is where I'm trying to drive all the traffic to, is this page. Then the next thing they're going to get after they sign up is a thank you page, and I just put together a little quick video to show, I'm building a personal brand after all, right? So you want to be able to make a connection with your potential customers. I mean, like, they're subscribing to your list. Maybe they didn't buy anything from you, but that's okay. You really want to build that relationship with them. So what better way to do that than with a video thanking your subscribers? So I've got that with a couple call to actions. Here's where they can access my what they just subscribed to, and then some social media call to actions to follow me on social media as well. So, this is really great. I'm really excited to get this out because all of that is going to go into my email marketing service provider of choice, which is ConvertKit. And ConvertKit I've used for probably around 3 to 4 years, on and off, because I've tried different ones like Aweber and Active Campaign and a lot of other ones, and I keep coming back to ConvertKit for its simplicity and ease of use. Now that's not to say that the other ones aren't good. They're good. It's just you have to pick a tool and stick with it. And I think that's probably one of the biggest things. I know it's been a battle for me, a struggle, is to just filter out the noise, get focused, and just use what you have already. So, but ConvertKit's great. They're actually changing their name. So as of this video, they're changing their name to Sabbath. And I think Sabbath. So Nathan Barry, the CEO and founder, and he basically has an announcement that they're going to be changing because of their vision, which is really great, because they're really focused on individual entrepreneurs that are trying to build a personal, whether it's a personal brand, blog or whatnot, just to build a business based on selfless value and service. And so it really aligns with, kind of my mission as well. So just a great product fit. So if you're looking for an email service provider, definitely worth one to check out. And don't worry, I'll leave links below the video for you to check out any of these any of these products. Some of them may be affiliate links, but that's just hopefully you use them. If you don't, no big deal. But if you do use them, I would get like a small commission at no cost to you. So anyway, that's just a little disclaimer I like to throw out there, just to be fully transparent. But that's really it. That is the work and workflow for getting this out there. Now, obviously, there's a lot more work underneath of that, with the book creation and research and all those things. But the fact of the matter is this is out. It's going to be out. And if you are interested in grabbing a copy, go ahead and leave a comment below. You can go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll make sure to let you know when it is live. So that said, if you found this video useful, go ahead and hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're watching it on YouTube, go ahead and just click the subscribe button below. Don't be shy. Click it below and give it a thumbs up. I'm like confusing YouTube and Facebook now, but anyway, no. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ding the bell for notifications. That way you can get notified when future videos like this come out to help you build your personal brand and really just streamline your workflow, because there's so many different things that you can do to potentially build your digital platform. So anyway, this is Danny Liu signing off. Thank you so much if you're watching the replay, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.